Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show the school zones on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the three line at the upper left corner, tap to the settings, and in the sound and alert section you can find the route events section, and you can find the school zones. If you want to display on your map the school zones, you can enable that. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next blue circle, and if it will be turned red, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.